Hey guys, Brian with the Seat Shop today talking about modifying a driver's side foam cushion to work on the passenger side. This is a 1999 through 2000 F250 or F350 extended cab or crew cab for the Lariat model edition. This is a driver's side foam. I'm going to show you how to make it work for passenger side. Hey, but first, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button. It'll help other people find this video as well. When I flip it over, you can see that everything's pretty much symmetrical on the foam cushion other than this extra strip of foam on the side. When I turn it here, this is where the control panel goes on, and there's a void here. To use this for a passenger side, we need to trim this piece off, move it over here. Just follow the angles on this side, mimic those on this side here, trim the excess foam over, take a can of spray adhesive, glue it onto this side, you're good to go. It doesn't have to be that precise. It's going to be up against the console anyway. You just need to have the extra room for the power control panel to go back on. When you cut this piece out, you don't want to just chunk it. You definitely want to add it onto this side, because when you install the seat cover, you want that extra foam to fill up the space in the cover so the new cover doesn't fit loose. Now, if you want to take it another step further, there's another little difference at the back. You can see there's a cutout here and a cutout here. There's a little bit difference in size. If you don't make an extra trim cut on this, when you put the new cover on, you're going to see a little strip of foam through the hole right here in the seat cover. This is the different year model, but the 99-2000 has the same hole. You'll see a strip of foam there. What I do on this side, this is longer and this is thicker here. This is shorter and more narrow. What I want to do is I want to come in about a 1/2 inch. I cut a 1/2 inch in. I go up about 2 1/4 inches up and then cut back out. It gives me a little bit more room in that notch. And then when you put the new cover on, you will not have that extra strip of foam that you see. If it's a big deal, go ahead and cut it. If it's not, you don't have to cut it. Just live with seeing the little foam in there. Not that big of a deal. But hey, 99-2000 F250s, 7.3 diesel, they're gonna be on the road forever. You fix your driver's side, go ahead and put a new foam on the passenger side and get it looking good and just as comfortable as it should be.